हमको ऐसा बनना है। अपने अंदर झांक के देखो कि हम अपने आप को कैसा इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। माई फिलोसफी इज एवरी ईयर आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ बेटर वर्जन। यू नो, एप्पल, आईफोन, सैमसंग का हर साल नया वर्जन निकलता है ना, अपडेटेड वर्जन। मैं बोलता हूं कि हर साल आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ प्रद्योत। I want to improve myself every year. 2026 has started. I want to be a better version of myself. I want to give more love. I don't hate anyone. I've never hated anyone. But I've learned to love those who are oppressed. So you are the teachers, such beautiful teachers, such pretty teachers. Keep on smiling. As a teacher, no matter what you teach, if you do not smile, the students will not accept it. So the biggest hack, they say, the trick, is to smile when you are teaching. For students, aspirants, do what you think is right. अगर गलती हुआ, इस उम्र में गलती नहीं करोगे तो कब गलती करोगे? This is the age to try, experiment, and if you make a mistake, no problem. This is the age that you make mistake. इस उम्र में गलती नहीं करोगे तो क्या, जब राजेश्वर और ऋषिकेतु और पूर्णो की उम्र में आप मिस्टेक करोगे? Buddhist, you make to commit a mistake at this age? No, no. And youngsters, let them make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Accept that गलती हो गया and improve. All of you are here. There is big danger for Tiprasa. Politicians will not save you. In this place, all politicians, we cannot save you. Only people who can save you is you yourself. And I'm telling you, there are people who hate us. We don't hate anyone. There are people who hate us. They don't want us to appear in our mother script. Kokoro, Kaukru, they don't want us to appear for exam. What are you all doing? You are quiet. You want Bubagra to fight. But can you fight yourself? How long will one man fight? Is it the fight for me? Or is it a fight for all of us as Ratona? They want to take away our land. 6th schedule ADC. Rati Mohan Jamatia, Harinath Depar, they fought for it. Drau Kumar Riya. Today they want to take away our ADC. Bishramganj ko aaj le raha hai. They're taking Pani Sagar. I read in the newspaper that Nagrik Suraksha Manch wants to take away Kanchanpur and make it to another Panchayat. These people fought for ADC. For whom? For us. And today when these people want to take away our land, we are quiet. We are more interested in Instagram, reels, stories. Sometimes you have to think about your future. But I don't see that happening. Are you ready to sacrifice one day in your life to stand up for your people? If you can, show me your hand. हाथ उठाओ, who can do it? इसको नहीं करना है, लेकिन सबने उठाया तो इसने उठाया। नहीं करना है तो मत करो। लेकिन नेक्स्ट टाइम फैसिलिटी भी मत मांगो एज अ एसटी और अ टी पर्सन, बिकॉज there are many people who are being denied, and yet we say we should get facility. Your facility will be taken away the day we are no longer united. You said United Tiprasa Forum. Thansa is a word which does not cost you money, but it gives you great power. You know, that day in Dehradun, Alian Chakma was killed. Not Alian, Angel Chakma was killed. They did not know he was a Chakma. They did not know he was a Jamatia, or a Riyan, or a Garo, or a Khasi, or a Deparma, or a Naga, or a Manipuri, or a Kuki, or a Bodo, Dimasa. They killed him because he looked different. You're being targeted in Tripura because you look different. They call our women Spawali, Chinky, Momo. They call our boys Bahadur. Nepali, does it hurt you? Does it hurt you? लगता है दिल में चोट? नहीं लगता ना? अच्छा लगता है? अच्छा लगता होगा, इसका तो आप लोग चुप है। किसको अच्छा लगता है? हाथ उठाइए। किसको खराब लगता है? हाथ उठाइए। तो क्या करेंगे आप? बुबागरा कुछ बोलो, बुबागरा का फाइट है नहीं, ये आपका। एंड आई नीड योर सपोर्ट, आई नीड योर सपोर्ट। एंड सपोर्ट डज नॉट मीन रास्ते में आगे चलाओ, क्वाइटली किसी को बोलो हाँ ये आदमी ठीक बोल रहा है। सपोर्ट डज नॉट हैव टू बी ओनली शाउटिंग, सपोर्ट कैन बी फ्रॉम योर हार्ट। एंड अगर मैं ठीक बोल रहा हूं, एंड इफ यू फील दैट वी आर राइट, then the only solution is thumbs up. We have to come together. There are only 14 lakh Tiprasas. And those who call us Momo, Chinki, Nepali, Bahadur, they are in crores and crores. If 14 lakh fight each other as Christian and Hindus, or Jamatiyas and Devarmas and Rians and Ramkhals and Molsoms and Kaipings, then we will never be successful. We'll say it's a Kaiping, वो चकमा का प्रॉब्लम था। एक दिन जब जमातिया को मारेगा तो चकमा बनेगा, ये जमातिया का प्रॉब्लम था। एक दिन जब देवबर्मा को मारेगा तो रियान बनेगा, ये तो रियान का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो देवबर्मा का प्रॉब्लम है। और जब रियान को मारेगा तो सब बोलेगा ये रियान का प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ये हम सब का प्रॉब्लम है। तो फर्स्ट बिल्ड अ टीम। When you have a team, when you appear for your exams, you will help each other. Team is not only for bad times, it's also for good times. Talk to each other. And I will tell you, I will ensure a day will come when I'm telling you and I'm giving you my guarantee, I will ensure that every single Tiprasa has his own land in Tripura, and we will not have to write our exams in Kokborok, Kaukru, in Bangla. We will write it in our language, a script that we want. And there will come a time when we will have Chini like Kolkhan in Tripura, and that is within 2 years. And they may have all the powers in the world. We have love for each other. I love you, and I know you love me, and you have to love each other. And yes, we will prove it. You will prove it. You will prove it. You all will prove it. And we will be proud that the mistakes of our mother and father, the mistakes of our grandfathers will be rectified by the unity that your generation has today. And when you can do that, you will have a life well lived. You will have something to feel proud of. This pride does not come from money. It comes from self-respect. Eventually, जितना भी पैसा आ जाए, अगर सम्मान नहीं मिलता है ना, तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है। And what I want to give you, my young people, is a sense that you walk in the streets of Agartala and everybody says, नहीं, इनको इज्जत देना है। I want to give you that respect. Bank balance से वो respect नहीं आएगा। वो people, if someone says, अरे Momo, no, you are who you are. My women, all of you, the most beautiful women in India are from our northeast, our Mongolian looking women. Most beautiful. If anyone says, yes, no, you are beautiful, and you are in your heart beautiful, you are beautiful. Let no one tell you that you are not. And if someone says, अरे पहाड़ी तो एग्जाम नहीं करता है, ST reservation के थ्रू आता है, जमीन हमारा है, जगह हमारा है, रिजर्वेशन में कोई और आया है, तो हमको अपना अधिकार चाहिए, राइट्स चाहिए, और वो हम लेकर रहेंगे, किसी के अगेंस्ट नहीं। हमारा दिल बड़ा है, इसका ये मतलब है कि आप हमें नीचे देखें। I want every single student here to do well. Some will pass, some will not. But my commitment to you is one thing. Your Bubagra will stand with you till my last breath. I will stand with you. And if you believe that what I am saying is the truth, मैं सच बोल रहा हूं, then
Let us do it together. Everyone should have a better life than what we have today. Everyone should have a better house than what we have today. Everyone should have a better salary than what we have today. Everyone should have a better future than what we have today. And it can happen if we can learn to shed our ego, our arrogance, and come together as one and lead it. Thank you.